down here. So now you don't have to if you don't want to, because I did for you. Yeah, sorry I get weird in the mornings at the end of videos. Okay, not just at the end of videos, all the time. And then this was cool now. It's really like a pyramid-y, escalating up with pyramids on top of the pyramids, and so it probably just looks cool. See if we can get that in there. That might end up as a thumbnail. So yeah, right, we're gonna take a walk back. Oh, am I being stupid? Yeah, I'm being stupid. I'll walk the road because this one just kind of gets a bit iffy. I'm just gonna cross the road safely. And that would be the Dart Station Bridge, just so you know. And then that's it's not the forecourt, it's the yeah, that's the house. I'm not coming this way, so I may as well cross halfway. So you may or may not be aware of the famine that happened in Ireland. 1842 was it? Crap, I look like an idiot now. But hey, go back in all my other videos and you'll see that I'm an idiot, especially when it comes to history and dates. I don't even know my own birth date half the time. So a lot of Irish immigrated to Canada and America and England and Australia, and millions died because of starvation. So a couple of years ago, I think it was an artist created these sculptures depicting the average day life, because you might hear in the history books of someone famous, and you know, and how it was affected them. And if you were interested in Under the Hawthorn Tree was a favourite book of mine. I don't read many books, but I remember reading that and I really enjoyed it. It was very detailed and sad. So, Cottage Scale, Gemma Scully, England, the Leonard family. Now, so this is the family themselves. And again, these would be depicted because you wouldn't have much, and there's lots of like information in cast iron. Famine. God damn it, Tom, would you just correct me with the date there, please? National Famine Way. So it's actually 1847, so I wasn't too far off. At the height of the Great Famine. Okay. So there's your information on it. And then there's a National Famine Way. That'd be an interesting walk. Guys, just want to do that walk sometime. It's only from Stroketown out in Longford to here, you know. Those guys didn't have sketches, so if they could do it, we could do it. And then here's another old-fashioned lifty uppy bridgey thing. Oh, my brain is just mush today, guys. Sorry. No, it's not a drawbridge. Is it a drawbridge? It's not a drawbridge. Is that what it's called? Really, just brain farce this morning. And then this is the Millennial Bridge, I think. No, Millennium Bridge. There's a bridge, guys. Yeah, it's a bridge. And this is the front of the Epic Irish Immigration Museum. I went in, but I was kind of on a rushed thing. It was a weird time. Like they were closing 20 minutes early, and I was trying to get in to meet up with a person who was kind of dating at the time. It was weird. Anyway, we should move on. So here's some more signposts for things that you might be interested in. Oh, one of my videos earlier on mentioned about cycle lanes and how they just end all of a sudden. So I'm going to do this, let this guy cross the road, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So here we are. We have the Tree Arena, the Jeannie Johnson tall ship.